my dear respected professional colleague, my dear friends and my seniors. Very good morning to all of you. Myself, CA Pankaj Kumar MIshra. I would like to discuss to you regarding the provision of section 115 BAC which is effective from the assessment year 2024-25. Actually, the Finance Act 2023 has amended the provision of section 115 BAC, which is applicable from the assessment year 2024-25 to make the new tax regime the default tax regime for the SSE being an individual, HUF, AOP, not being cooperative society, body of individual, artificial jurisdictional person. However, the eligible taxpayer have the option to opt out of the new tax regime and choose to be taxed under the old tax regime. The old tax regime refer to the system of the income tax, that is the calculation and slabs that existed before the introduction of new tax regime. In the old tax regime, taxpayer have the option to claim various tax deduction and exemption. Now we have bifurcated the SSE in two categories. Number one, the in case of non-business SSE, and in case of business SSE, the applicability of section 115 BSE. Now, considering the case of non-business SSE, the option to choose the regime can be exercised every year directly in the income tax return filed on or before the due date is specified under section 139(1). Now, in case of the eligible taxpayer having the income from business and profession and wants to opt out the new tax regime, the SSE would be required to furnish the form 10IEA on or before the due date under section 139(1) of the income tax return, which specifically specify the time limit to furnishing the return of income. Also, for the purposes of withdrawal of such option, that is opting out of the old tax regime, shall also be done by furnishing the form number 10IEA. However, in case of the eligible taxpayer having income from business and profession, option to switch to the old tax regime and withdraw the option in this any subsequent assessment year is available only once in the lifetime. I hope this video definitely will bring some clarity to you regarding section 115 BAC, which is applicable from the assessment year 2024 and 25, in which the default regime is the new tax regime, and how we have to choose this option, that has been clarified in this particular video. I would like to thank you from the core of my heart. Thank you. Thanks to you.